Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Stern, Stern Chiropractic, helping you and your kids maximize your health, performance, and quality of life naturally. Today, I'm making vegan sausage. It looks like there's a lot of ingredients. I guess there are, but the recipe is really quite easy, and you're going to find that out in just a few minutes. It is a seitan recipe, which means it's made with gluten, so if you do have any sensitivities for gluten, this isn't for you. It includes vital wheat gluten, almond flour, chickpea flour, nutritional yeast, soy sauce, onion powder, rosemary, smoked paprika, ancho chili powder, crushed red pepper, salt, thyme, sage, cumin, tomato paste, and ground mustard. So let's get started. And I'm back. Now, I did forget to mention that the recipe also includes vegetable broth and fennel. Now, as always, the downloadable recipe will be linked below this video, along with links back to the website www.sternchiro.com to see all the different recipes that I have there, as well as the 25 years of health and wellness newsletters. They're at your fingertips to use. I hope you use it. I hope you share it with your friends and your family. There's just so much information there that can be so useful. Now, you do not need a countertop mixer. This happens to be a wonderful little toy I just got for myself for Father's Day this year, so just recently. And but I've always made this just in a bowl with a spatula and mixing it with a spatula in my hand. So it can be done very easily. This just makes it even that much more easy. So I've put all the dry ingredients into the mixer, and then you just add in the wet ingredients, and it's ready to go. I'm going to turn the mixer on. It'll be a little noisy, so I'm going to turn it off, turn the video off right now, and we'll be back when it's all mixed into a dough ball. So as easy as it is to mix it up by hand, the mixer really does make it a lot easier. Anyway, it just mixes up, or you mix it up right into a dough ball like this, and then you slice it into 4 parts, roll each part into a sausage shape, and then put it in a piece of tin foil. Roll it up like a Tootsie Roll, twisting it at the ends and folding them over. And then I'll put them in my steamer. I've got a pot back here with a steaming rack. I'm going to lay it in that steamer for 30 minutes. And it's done. So I've sliced the dough up into 4 pieces. And then it's just a matter of kind of working it. It works pretty easy. You don't have to do a whole lot to shape it. And after it's somewhat of a sausage shape, I just tore 4 pieces of tin foil up. You just lay it in the tin foil and you start to roll. And as you roll it, just rolling it itself helps you shape it into that sausage shape. And it really couldn't be any easier. Just twist it at the end, and it's ready to go. I'm going to throw these in the steamer, and I'll see you when it's done. Time is up. The sausages have been steamed well. Now, it makes 4, so I tend to freeze 3 of them, and I slice them up into small pieces, and I put them in a container in the refrigerator. This is pretty hot, but voila, you have a vegan sausage. These things really are great. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Again, I encourage you, go to www.sternchiro.com. Check out all the other recipes I have up there, as well as the 25 years of health and wellness newsletters. They're at your fingertips for all you, your family, your loved one, your co-workers, your friends. Please share this information. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the rest of our videos this year and look at some of the past ones as well. Have a wonderful month. I look forward to seeing you next month. Peace.